Teeth help us in many ways. They help us to chew, tear, and grind food. Teeth give support to our mouth muscles and keep them in place. Teeth also help us talk clearly. Humans and animals have four main types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The human mouth has 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Incisors are the large and strong teeth at the front of the mouth. Incisors are used for biting, cutting, and holding food. Humans have 8 incisors, while horses have 12 incisors. Canines are long and sharp and so are good for tearing meat. Animals that kill other animals have healthy and sharp canines. Foxes and wolves are examples of such animals. Molars are flatter and wider than canines and incisors. They help us in chewing food. Herbivores have molars that break the food down before it is swallowed, as plants are hard to digest. Rabbits and elephants have molars, but no canines, as they are herbivores. The tusks of elephants are incisors. Premolars are the teeth between the molars and the canines. Premolars crush food before it gets to the molars.